about politics, the topic typically flies over my head. I was asked if I was left wing or right wing, and I said, I fly ambidextrous, until a pair of pretty parents gossiped and told me how all the birds of the same feather flock together to control the cuckoo's nest, Congress, and there's an unlicensed pilot in the cockpit of Air Force One, and all of these executive orders are just a little turbulence I should ride out. But I'm preparing for a crash landing. Stewardess smiles with her feet up, tells me today's choices. Find out why the caged bird sings, or straighten up and fly right. Now this might ruffle your feathers, but the right did get one thing right. We should ban all terrorists, right? Because their attire looks like a yellow Homeland Security warning. This color primarily because of their use of the primary colors of red and blue for necks and eyes, painting murals of heritage, but I see Confederacy. Now I would like to see you ban them from movie theaters, because as the lights go down, the dark night rises, camera finger ready to shoot. Action, Glock 22 plays the role of concession stand cashier. Would you like butter and blood on your popcorn? Oh, it'll be a smart move if you ban them from schools.
America near the end of the academic year.
More shots.
As the full book-filled backpack becomes the best bullseye, a bullet, a substitute teacher, granting students early dismissal, and that passing away with flying colors. And I pray that you ban them from churches. Hollow Point tips revolve in sin, seeking no repentance, only temples to worship in, bullet baptism, living saints holier than ever. This must be what it sounds like when doves cry. Now, from all my bird watching, it looks like the true terrorists of the ugly ducklings hatched in this country. Are the ugly ducklings hatched in this country. See, white supremacy, the choir director of their swan songs, we should ban all terrorists, right? Only a bird brain would do otherwise. Ebony Rose out.